Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Arpita's Kitchen. So today we'll make palak paneer, a very simple and easy recipe. So let's get into it. So take a pan and heat up a cup of water. Bring the water into boiling and then add fresh spinach or palak into it. After some time, you will notice that all the palak has drenched or shrunk. That shows that it is well cooked. So take it out in a bowl with iced water and keep it aside. Then take a pan, add a teaspoon of butter. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds into it. Spoon of garlic chopped. And a spoon of ginger finely chopped. Saute well until the garlic turns brown. Then add in a cup of onions chopped and saute until they become pink. As the onions turn pink, add in one small chopped tomato into it and saute well. We will let the onions and the tomato cook for a minute or so. Until then, we will squeeze out the extra water of the spinach. Once the masala is done, take a mixer grinder and add the squeezed spinach into it. Add all the masala that you have made, the onions and the tomatoes into it. Add a splash of water and blend well until you get a fine paste. Take the same pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil into it. Cut out all the paneer into cubes and add it in the oil. Cook until the paneer becomes brown. Take the same pan and add a teaspoon of oil. Add all the masalas, 1 teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per taste. Mix them well and add chopped green chilies. Saute them well. Then add the smooth paste of the palak and the masala that you made into the oil and mix well. Add half a cup of water into the masala, mix well and add all the fried paneer into the masala. Mix well until the paneer gets coated with it. Cook it for more 2 to 3 minutes till the raw smell of the palak is gone. Add some butter into it and then you're good to go. Top it with some butter and serve it. So this was so easy to make. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications.